Welcome to module number 3 of Agile Project Management version 2.0. In this module, we would look into a topic called preparing for success. Now, DSDM kind of talks about instrumental success factors, also called as ISFs. These factors that we have on this particular slide are seen as instrumental for positioning DSDM projects for a successful outcome. Where these factors cannot be met, they represent a significant risk to the DSDM approach. Therefore, it's important to identify these risks quite early on and consider how they could be mitigated. Many projects successfully use DSDM while still identifying that some of these factors will not be in place. So the first factor that we have is embracing the DSDM approach. It's important that all project stakeholders and participants understand and accept the DSDM project approach, as well as embracing the DSDM philosophy that best business value emerges when projects are aligned to clear business goals, deliver frequently, and involve the collaboration of motivated and empowered people. This also includes the concept that in order to deliver the right thing at the right time and to handle the change dynamically, the project may deliver less than 100% of the possible solution. The second success factor is effective solution development team. People are at the heart of successful DSDM projects, and the solution development team is instrumental in ensuring the development of the right solution. Now, building an effective team for successful delivery focuses on 4 elements: empowerment, stability, skills, and size. Appropriate empowerment to the solution development team is important. Each role within the solution development team should be empowered to make decisions based on their expertise, and the team as a whole empowered to make decisions within the boundaries agreed during foundations. Senior business and technical stakeholders in a project need to ensure that the project they appoint to work as part of the solution development team, and making sure that the team has the desire, authority, responsibility, and knowledge required to make day-to-day decisions. In terms of stability, solution development team relies on continuous, informal, and ideally face-to-face communication to build a strong and a common understanding of the business problems to be addressed and the solution that is evolving to meet that need. This means that a DSDM project will be put at serious risk if team members are swapped in and out. And then we have the skill sets. It's important that all the core business knowledge and technical expertise required to build a fit-for-purpose solution is present within the solution development team. DSDM does not require all team members to be multi-skilled experts, but they must have good comm skills and the willingness to work with others if they are to function as a coherent unit. And finally, the size. DSDM teams rely on informal comms as their first choice. For this to be effective, DSDM suggests that optimum solution development team size is 7 plus or minus 2 people. Where more people are needed, they should be split into multiple solution development teams. And the next factor, success factor, is business engagement, active and ongoing. In order for DSDM projects to be successful, it's vital that the business is actively engaged and commits the necessary amount of time at all levels, and that this commitment is maintained throughout the project. Ensuring active and ongoing business engagement relies on 3 elements: commitment of business time throughout, day-to-day collaboration involving business roles in the iterative development of solution, and a supportive commercial relationship. And then there needs to be an iterative development, integrated testing, and incremental delivery, which is a success factor. Each time box should ideally deliver a complete, potentially deployable increment of the solution, even though they may not be enough at that point in time to physically deploy it. Ensuring testing is fully integrated into the iterative and incremental development approach is key both to the reduction of project risk and to the success of the project. An organization amenable to incremental delivery of solutions into live use will benefit from early return on investment. And the last success factor is transparency. Now, transparency is about making progress and ongoing work visible to all. Demonstrations of the evolving solution at the end of each time box provide physical, objective, and unquestionable proof of progress. Team boards and daily stand-ups are also very useful for providing clear and up-to-date information on the current state of work. Transparency underpins the demonstration of control principle, which is principle number 8. Here we've got an interesting document called a Project Approach Questionnaire. It's a questionnaire which is a simple checklist used to assess whether the success factors described in the earlier slide are likely to be met or whether action needs to be taken to counter the risk arising from any of them being undermined. The Project Approach Questionnaire, also called as PAC, is first used during the feasibility phase of the project to help shape the work of the foundation phase, and again towards the end of the foundations to help finalize the approach to be taken by the project for development and delivery and to drive active management of the project risks.